Hi guys, in this video, let's do a word problem. My aunt folds 16 paper cranes in 4 minutes. My uncle folds 15 paper cranes in 5 minutes. How long would it take for them to fold 42 paper cranes together? Okay, so now my aunt folds 16 paper cranes in 4 minutes. So now let's find out how many paper cranes my aunt folds in 1 minute. So that means we need to divide 16 by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So my aunt can fold 4 paper cranes in 1 minute. Now, my uncle folds 15 paper cranes in 5 minutes. We need to find out how much paper cranes he folds in 1 minute. So we need to divide 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So my uncle can fold 3 paper cranes in 1 minute. Now, let's see how many paper cranes both of them can fold in 1 whole minute. So we need to add both of these. 4 plus 3 is 7. In 1 whole minute, they can fold 7 paper cranes. How long would it take for them to make 42 paper cranes if they worked together? Now, let's divide 42 by 7. So, 42 divided by 7 is 6. So, it would take 6 minutes for my aunt and my uncle to make 42 paper cranes. So the answer is 6. Let's do more maths every day and watch your videos every day. We post videos every day.